Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with OMG Queen. Again, this is a thank you card. As soon as I open the box, that's what I'm seeing. I got a drawstring bag with the wig. I got some goodies. So I got these 2 clips. You can use these when you're styling your hair. I got a rat tail comb. Well, I got an edge brush and comb. I got a rat tail comb branded OMG Queen and a pair of HD wig caps. Now let's go ahead and get into this branded drawstring bag. So yeah, there you have it. This is a wig of the day. I have this lovely pre-everything bob. You know, it's summertime and a good bob is always going to be a go. So let me go ahead and get into it. This is how the inside looks. This is actually their silky straight curved part fitted glueless HD lace clean bleach bob. All right, now it has the curved portions at the ear portion. The combs inside of this cap are removable. They're removable and attached by velcro, and it has a drawstring in the back. Super convenient. I absolutely love that. I feel like it's 100% beginner friendly, super easy to understand. It also has the non-slip silicone strips around the perimeter of the cap construction. It doesn't come with any extra elastic band because I feel like this drawstring portion right here really helps to adjust the wig a ton. You know, like how you used to have drawstring ponytails? This is kind of what it is like. Yeah, the only thing is a wig. It's so easy to adjust. Like, I love it. Love it. Love the length of this wig as well. It is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's a natural 1B color, so I love that. Everything looks super realistic. As I said, it's a pre-everything because it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, super natural looking. I cannot complain. It's really nice. And I love a really sharp blonde cut bob. I was actually adjusting the drawstring in the back here so you guys can see how easy and straightforward that is. Alright, and I was showing you how well it's sitting around my ear. So that's definitely a go. So now I'm just going to get into further refining the look of the wig. Kind of just flat ironing it and getting it super bone straight. Getting the top really laid with my wax stick. You know, I went in with my hot comb to get it very flat. But it's so easy to style, you know, install and adjust. Like OMG Queen really broke it down and they're giving you the best quality. You know, it's absolute. You can feel the quality working with this wig, and let me tell you, the hair itself felt like butter. It's very silky, very soft, minimum shedding, so that is definitely a go. I love that. And then after this, I pretty much just took my time and I went in with my flat iron. So let's just go ahead and get into that because it's pretty straightforward. I couldn't stop moving my head. Like, I was like, ooh, look at that movement. It's like butter. Nothing I love more than a very sleek bob. So gorgeous. I'll show you guys how much space you have to work with this wig. It is absolutely stunning, man. I really cannot complain. I absolutely love it. It's actually a 9x6 lace space. If I never mentioned that earlier on, but yes, it's 9x6. So yeah, OMG Queen, they did their thing. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Go ahead, check out my description box for the direct link to this wig if you're interested in getting it for yourself. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.